everybody, welcome to Snaptrude Tutorials. In this video, we'll look at how to request sign-offs on Snaptrude. Once the comments made are resolved, you can request for a sign-off on the project by opening the Collaborate tab and clicking on Project Sign-Off. A window will open where you need to enter the email ID and name of the team member from whom the sign-off is required. Then add the subject line for them to better understand the objective of the sign-off. Finally, add additional inputs in the notes section, here. Once all the details have been entered, click on Request. The team member will receive an email notification for the same. Note that until the sign-off is approved, no further edits can be made of the project. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions about how this works, leave it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.